My name is Mrs. Tosin Dawde. I'm your class teacher. I'm here to take you on an online lesson in mathematics. And my topic today is indices. Now, indices is an expression of terms in powers. Indices is an expression of terms in powers. The singular is known as index. The singular of indices is known as index. I have examples here. Remember, our objective here is to let you know and to teach you how to solve indices in index form. Now, we have 5 times 2. How are we going to solve this? We solve this by saying 5 into, we count it 1, 2, 5 raised to the power of 2. Now, express the index form 8 in 4 places. We'll count it 1, 2, 3, 4. We write our 8 to the raised to the power of 4. That is 8 raised to the power of 4. We have our 8 applying in 4 places. So we count the 8, 2, 3, 4. 8 raised to the power of 4. Now the next one is 7. We write our 7, that's the number. Then we count the power. We count the power 1, 2, 3. That is 7 raised to the power of 3. So this is how we express this in index form. Let me go over quickly. Let's have a flashback of this. Remember, this is indices and it is singular form is an index. So we are looking for the index of 5 times 2, 5 times 5, which is the index is 5 raised to the power of 2. And 8 times 8 times 8. That is 8 in 4 places. 8 raised to the power of 4. Also 7 times 7. 7 to the power of 3, we have 1, 2, 3. 7 raised to the power of 3. Now we also have to express a number here, 24, in index form. It is more like LCM, our lowest common factor. LCM, lowest common multiples. Now, 24. To solve 24 to an index form, we begin with 2 because 24 is an even number. An even number starts from 2, so we start 2. How many 2 can we get in 24? We have 2 into 1, 4, 2. Go on again because we are not because we still have 12. So we can still use 2 to solve 12 because 2 is a multiple of 12. So we have 2. How many 2 in 12? We have 6. 2 can still go in 6, so we have 2. By the time we divide 2 in 6 places, we have 3. So the answer is 3. Then we get, remember this 3 is an odd number, so 3 can divide itself. So we have 3 to get 1. Now, our answer is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. We need to write this in index form. So we count the number of 2's. 1, 2, 3. So 2 raised to the power of 3. 2 raised to the power of 3 times 3. There is no power in it. So that solves our 24 in index form. Now 20 in index form. Let's express it. Remember 20 has 0. And 0 is an example of even number. So we begin with 2. 2. How many 2 in 2? We have 1. We have a 0. 2 in 10. We have 5. 5 can divide itself. So we have 5 as a 0. So now to express it in index form, we have 2 times 2 times 5 equals. How many 2? We have 1, 2. So 2 raised to the power of 2 times 5. So these viewers, with this you can be able to express 20 in index form, any number in index form. Once you know, it begins with either or even or odd numbers. So this is our take home, and I'm expecting you to submit this on the class platform. We have 4 to the power of this, we raise it, 2 to the power of this, 8 to the power of this. Then you express this in index form. That is in LCM 44, 90, 60, 56. I'm expecting you to submit this in my next class. So thank you, pupils, for listening. And remember, listen to your parents' instruction by staying at home. Be safe, use your face masks when you are going out. Remember to wash your hands on running water or use your sanitizer. Thank you. so much.